Welcome back, y'all, to another episode of Penny for Your Thoughts. And today we present Sneaker Sundays. In this episode of Sneaker Sunday, we're talking about the Black History Air Vapormax. Shoe was just released, maybe a week ago?
Yeah, for Black History Month.
For Black History Month, it's February, we're in Black History Month, I always try to get at least one Black History Month shoe. That's me being an African American. I try to get at least one. I always try to get the best one. And I feel like this time around, I got the best one, man.
You might have.
I
don't know, the price tag.
The price point may be a little too high, but let's take a look at the shoe. Let's take a look at the shoe and see what the people think about it. But before we do that, man, let's please make sure you guys are subscribing to the channel, man. Hit the button below, man. Leave comments below. We always
share the video.
Share the video, man. Like pass the knowledge on, man. We bringing these videos to y'all, man. We just trying to get it popping. Show y'all what we living like, and things that we do on a day-to-day basis, right. Things that we enjoy. We enjoy sneakers and sports, and just talking about music and stuff like that, man. So with that being said, man, let's take a look at the shoe, guys. As you can see, it's the same VaporMax box. It's been coming in from the longest. All VaporMax has been coming in the same boxes, as you guys know.
I see something different, though.
What you see different?
Nike's doing this new thing now where they are putting men and women's sizes.
That's a throwback, though. They was doing that back in the day.
Women's sizes on the box, and they brought it back.
Yeah, they brought it back, man. They brought it back.
I don't know about that, though.
See if they can get a look at that. Get that on there, man.
I don't know about that, too.
Let me see.
$205 price tag.
Well, 205. Let's take a look at this shoe, man. Let's see what it's looking like, man.
I haven't seen these yet.
Let's see. Look at that, man. This is my personal pair. It's my personal pair, man. Let's take a look.
You always can tell this.
Yeah, you already know. I done tried them on. As you can see, it got some numbers. It got a date back here. On the tongue it says Black History.
Oh yeah, it says 8/20, 1993.
BHM on the tongue. Got the green, the black, and the red. Also on the inside,
flag.
Also on the inside, it has running with the green and black and red insole. The bottom is fire. The bottom is fire. Clear sole. Got the red right here with the black and the green here.
And I don't know if you can see it, but inside of the bubbles also.
I didn't even see that.
The green, black, and red on the inside of the bubble.
Wow, man.
Pretty dope.
This is the dope.
A lot of detail.
A lot of detail on this shoe. Like they normally. Yeah, I got the
gold.
Yeah. If you guys didn't see, you can see it again. Also got the gold
lace locks
on here also.
It says VaporMax.
Oh, it says VaporMax on that. I didn't even catch that.
Yeah.
Man, shout out to Nike, man, for putting a dope shoe together, man. This is definitely. It kind of reminds me of the Oreo VaporMax that just came out a couple of weeks ago, maybe like a month ago, but. This is definitely, they added a bunch of different things on this one. And this
even the material's a little different.
The material's definitely a little different.
Around the back part.
Yeah, in the back area and everything here, man. Definitely, I can honestly say that, for them to add, extra $15 to the price point. I think that this might be a little worth. This might be. For the stuff
might be a little biased.
No, I'm not being biased, but the stuff that they added on. The stuff that they added on, I'm not being biased. The stuff that they
added a couple of things.
A couple of different things. You got the date on here. You got
that date. I wonder why that date is so special.
It might be.
Anything on the box?
Don't quote me. Don't quote. It don't say nothing on the box. Nothing. It's the same VaporMax box. But don't quote me. But I think this is when Jesse Owens won the gold medal, if I'm not mistaken.
8/20. 1993?
No, this is definitely not.
8/20?
93?
93?
Nah.
No. We definitely.
I don't know what the date is.
That date
if
up.
anybody know what the date is, leave it in the comments below.
Right.
Jesus
We're
Christ.
gonna look it up, but anybody else that may know, maybe we're not
let us know,
finding
man.
the right thing.
This is crazy.
What that date is about.
This is really not nothing, man. Nothing. It's the same VaporMax box, man. This is crazy. I feel like Nike should definitely, I like the laces too. The laces are a little thicker than normal.
I'm not a fan of the VaporMax lace. Only because
this one is thicker than the normal ones, though.
Yeah, I'm not a fan of it. I don't tie my laces.
Yeah, I don't tie my laces either. I like to swag them out. That's what we call them. Yeah. You swag them out.
When I just put my foot in it, it just held together, so it could have just been a sock. But with this shoe, I actually have to wear socks. I actually have to wear black socks.
With my VaporMax. When you wear, if you got VaporMax, I got 5 pairs. If you got VaporMax, you know that you have to wear socks.
You have to wear black
socks.
Otherwise, your socks will show.
It will show immediately. That's definitely a fact.
So
definitely.
I mean,
what you give it, man? Like, what you giving it out of five pennies? What you giving it?
Out of 5, I'm going 3.5.
3.5 on this one.
3.5.
Self-critic is looking like.
I'm not a fan of the. It looks like the Oreo.
It doesn't like the Oreo.
It looks like the Oreo with a couple of extra features.
I give you that. I give you that.
You know, it's like how they did Oreos. They made them white.
I give you that. With me personally, I don't think. The only my pet peeve, the only thing that's bothering me is it kind of looks like the Oreo Vapormax that just came out.
Right, if you don't know what you're looking at,
right, you'll think it's the same shoe.
Like,
but things that I do love about it, back here, you see it has the green, the black, and the red. That's definitely, Black History, OG. I got a couple of other Black History shoes too that we might be reviewing. But overall, out of 5 pennies, man, I gotta give it a 4 because of the detail. The detail on the shoe makes me want to give it a 4. I got Black History here, BHM, the gold lace locks. Got the day back here. I don't know what it is, but it looks good. Like the sole. You got the red hair, the green, man. I think, man, I definitely got to give this a 4, man. But let us know which y'all give it, man.
Right.
Let us know if you guys think it's a 1, a 2, a 3, or 4, or even a 5. Let us know, man.
Right.
I feel like it's. Leave the comment below. I feel like this is the best shoe from the whole Black History pack, Black History Month pack that they came out with. I thought this was the best shoe.
I haven't actually seen the other shoes in my hand. I'm a hands-on type person. I like to touch things and look at them. So I can't give it based off the rest of that. I mean, I do like the shoes. I like Vapormax.
Yeah, man. I think it's.
But I don't like the price.
I don't like the price either, man. 205, man. I don't think it should be that. But I definitely got to give it a 4, man. But like I said, let us know what you guys think, man. If you guys think it's less than a 4 or more than a 4, man, or 3.5, let us know, man. Leave in the comments below. We definitely answer all comments below. And I know you see the merch though. I know you see me out here. Merch game. You already know what it is, man. Hit us up, man. If you see something in the videos you like, email us, man, at p4yt2016@gmail.com. Or if you got social media, we got Instagram and Twitter at the same handle. You can reach us at PENNY_4YT. And you can find us right there, man. That's a direct link to us, man. Let us know. We post things on there daily. Updates about, the YouTube channel and things that we got going on. Oh, I almost forgot, man. We got the podcast coming soon.
Yes, coming soon.
We got the podcast coming soon, man. So, we working out here, man. Every day we working. We bring y'all better videos and put this channel where we think it should go, man. But we need y'all help. Y'all gotta support us. Support us. We'll keep bringing the videos and everybody be happy. With that being said, man, we keeping it 100. Not a penny less. Peace.